Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. For dawah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear beautiful brothers and sisters. First of all, we are always saying Alhamdulillah for everything for this good life. But especially, why are we saying Alhamdulillah during sneezes? My dear sisters and brothers, sneezing is protecting our body from bacteria and viruses and keeping our body, our health very well. We expelled bacteria and viruses from our body through sneezes. Sneezes travel at over 100 miles per hour and it can send over 1 lakh germs into air. MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah. So this is the one of reason why we are saying Alhamdulillah for sneezing, Alhamdulillah during sneezing. Alhamdulillah means all the praises to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Alhamdulillah for protecting my body from bacteria and viruses through sneezes. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.